Dapi man kakadwa ijay Basilan, Sambuanga, ket isuda ti may sabak. Ijay Sambuanga. Anda akon ijay Bikutan that time. Then isuda man nun, then naisabak ijay Mamasapano. Ada akon ijay Logistics sa Management Division di Brigade Headquarters ti SAF. So hindi nangyari ijay Mamasapano, na kami na dito mang iring-remedyo ti Usarda. Nung mo siguro hanak nga na-call out ijay Mindanao is siguro actually ijay 44 nga na tayo, 3 of them are my classmates. The person of Irana, Tabdi, and Tria. Then si Pabalinas was my company commander when I was assigned at Basilan. Then almost all of them kadwak isuda di Sambuanga.